Venerable Bhikkhu Pannakara, age 44, also known as Thich Tuesday Nyan, is the leading monk of the Walk for Peace pilgrimage. He is internationally recognized for guiding long-distance meditative journeys dedicated to mindfulness, compassion, and unity. Through walking meditation, rather than speeches or slogans, he shows that peace must be lived step by step before it can be shared with the world. He is currently leading the 2025-2026 Walk for Peace across the United States, a journey of about 2,300 miles on foot, crossing 10 states from Texas to Washington, D.C. as the spiritual anchor of this pilgrimage. He walks in silence alongside fellow monks, engaging communities through presence, interfaith harmony, and shared reflection. The walk has touched countless lives, inspiring meditation gatherings, cross-cultural dialogue, and a renewed understanding that peace begins within each individual. Before this American journey, Venerable Pannakara led a deeply transformative 112-day walk for peace in India. During that pilgrimage, a stray dog chose to follow the monks. He was later named Aloka, meaning light. Aloka became known as Aloka the Peace Dog, a living symbol of compassion, trust, and non-violence. This experience further shaped Venerable Pannakara's teachings on interconnection and loving awareness toward all beings. Behind these pilgrimages lies a remarkable personal transformation. Once a Motorola engineer and a graduate of the University of Texas at Arlington, he left corporate life to embrace the Theravada monastic path. Now based at Hong Dao Temple in Fort Worth, Texas, he is known for his calm, steady presence and his consistent message. Peace is not demanded from the world. It is cultivated within and offered outward through mindful living, compassionate action, and humility.